Here we go. Scree hiker here. We're starting our first hike. Vicky, where are you going? You're going, see her trying to scoot out of the way? Here we are. We're going to go with this crew right here. We're going to be taking a hike up Echo. What is it?
Echo Cliff.
Echo Cliff.
What is it?
Follow along. Hopefully you enjoy.
Follow along.
Follow along.
Yeah.
We gotta space ourselves out so the dogs don't get tangled.
Yeah. Any mix, anybody? A little bit of everything in it.
Well, I got some too. You want some?
Mom, you want to try it? I'll do some.
A little, but not bad.
Yeah, share. Here, you want to eat this one? Walnut?
No.
We all made it to the top of Echo Cliff. And it was about 0.9 hike up. Not too bad. It's a continuous climb all the way up, and then the last part gets really steep. But it's really worth the view. Nice short little hike. Nice view of Piseco Lake. Took us about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. So, yeah, it's the top. Everybody's relaxing, getting our drink, and grabbing a snack. And then pretty soon we'll be heading back down. Get a little bit more footage. I'm not sure why they call it Echo Cliff. I'm going to try and yell. See if we get an echo. Hello!
What up?
Yeah, it don't work. It's nothing.
You like 3 nuts?
Hey, get back. There.
I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to hear it, but we finally figured out where the echo is. If I'm down here on the tip, down here's the lake.
Oh, I just dropped my nut.
And then all the way back up here is the snack area. If you walk down here where it gets a little steep, that goes off a ways down there. But right here, you almost have to find these cliffs on that the echo comes from this way. Hello!
I think Joe put a few videos up on Roman's nose.
Yeah, he did.
Okay, so we just finished up Echo Cliffs. Back down to the parking lot. Everybody's just making their way down out of the trail right now. And hopefully you enjoyed the hike. Make sure you subscribe, like us if you like us, and hopefully you enjoy. Take care. Say something, Pi.
No.
You're gonna be.